Hi everyone. So I just wanted to show you, oh, not my cat. I wanted to show you how to fix some problem in Higgsfield. So basically, like, I see that they have problem with like format, ratio. I will explain it. So basically, if you press, you have two images and you press like start frame and end frame. And there's like problem because it's like says that it's like automatically, but sometimes my image is like 16:9, like film. And when I press generate, it makes, oh, my cat, hello, and it makes like ratio, like TikTok, for example, format. Yeah, not like that, but like that, something small. And basically my image was 16:9, but when I press generate, it generates something with like 9:16, long, not wide. So that's the problem, and I know how to fix it. I mean, I know if it's So if you press, it's like start and end frame. Basically, it says automatically aspect ratio is locked, and that's the problem because you can't see what you're gonna get in a minute if you press generate, and you can spend like a lot of credits to like making mistakes, a lot of mistakes, and you shouldn't do it, So if you press, basically, if you already like press start frame, you need to make it like reference, and second image as well, reference, and then you can press this thing 16:9, and if you need 9:16 or 16:9, you can choose it, and then it doesn't matter what ratio your image, it can change it, but you want to make it like 16:9, yeah, scene, like movie maybe. So you press, and then after you pressed your ratio, like your format you need, then you can press start frame and end frame. And when you press generate, it make, oh my god, my god, I just stop doing that. If you press generate, it makes like video that you need, yeah, 16:9, not 9:16, even if it says it's locked, like aspect ratio is locked anyway. So yeah, that's a problem, but you can fix it doing that thing, so you know how to do it. I think she's tired. Yeah, not me, she's tired. Okay, yeah, that's it basically. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that this thing. Bye bye.